Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, I have a rating change on one of the buy recommendations. And so it's the Consumer Staples ETF. I talked about it a little bit over the weekend, and I'll show you what's transpired thus far. So let's get into it. So here is the Consumer Staples Spider ETF, symbol XLP. And you can see since there was an uptrend coming into March, and then we got a sideways consolidation. And it's in the form of, whether you want to call it, I'll call it a symmetrical triangle. We got A, B, C, D, E, and a couple and an extra touch. So um, here's where we purchased back on August 18th, shot up the first couple of days, suggesting, as I always do, sell on up days, and then started to reaccumulate as prices got down here. And over the weekend, I talked about a bearish rainbow convergence that was forming, a cluster of moving averages that are forming above the price action. And when that happens, when we were sitting down here last week, um, I suggested that this was going to occur. We would get the convergence, and that there's two types of convergences. One is type one, where prices sit here and wait for the moving averages to come down. It kind of stops the decline. And then once the moving averages are down, testing the price action, the ETF will tell us which way it's going to go. Type two is where prices actually retrace back to the convergence, which is what happened today. And if it can't break through here, it promises a lower low. And it would take out our stop and we'd get out at a lower price. So I was both on this and on Ontario Resources also has the same pattern brewing. Um, I would sell if it doesn't break through. And the reason is that if I sell, I have a 1.67% loss in this position. And if I wait till a new low is achieved, it'll be greater than that. And the other reason is that if I sell here, again, I have a small loss, but if prices are able to, let's say tomorrow they close at 81.5 or 82, and I always talk closing prices because intraday prices mean nothing. So at the end of the day, if it was to close clearly above that, that would be a real bullish development, and I would chase it and buy it back. So that's really all I wanted to tell you. I'm going to neutral here. I'm going to take a small loss. I'm going to crawl into the corner with my tail between my legs, and I'm going to look for something better, but I'll be monitoring this. Thank you for watching. Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends and family and neighbors. Adios.